Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to your video by using Joyoshare video kits. After open Joyoshare video kits, there is a video repair part, and there is watermark wizard function. It can remove and add watermark easily. And then click Add Watermark to Video. Click Add Files button. And here you can add a watermark. You can insert photo and text as you want. Let me show you. You can adjust the size as you want. You can change the text color and others. Also, you can set the transparency. Then, output it. Okay, that's all the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.